Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. It's a later model. This is Nancy and her husband's equipment from California. This telephone has been in their family for a long time. This is the initial checkout of this unit. And there is a note with this telephone, and they're talking about no dial tone. Now, Mickey does ring, but there is no dial tone or control over the transmit, receive, or keypad. So we have an issue with Mickey. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and it does look like Mickey has taken a power surge or a lightning strike. And we want to go ahead and show you this unit. It's in very good condition for its age. We do have the upper part of Mickey loose, so we want to set that to the back. I want to give you a look at the later model Mickeys. They had a PC board and a keypad. Now these are just momentary switches. There is no electronics up underneath the keypad. It's all on the PC board. And I want to show you the cover. So it is an original Mickey. It's just a later model Mickey. I want to show you the component side of the circuit board. And what we found is we found corrosion going down the pins from the line port. We've also found corrosion at the components. So the video is probably not picking it up. It's pretty hard to see even just looking at it, and that's an indication it's probably been hit or surged by power. And it also looks like somebody sprayed some spray in this unit, maybe hoping that that would take care of the issue. So that gives you a look at the component side. There is some situations going on the back side of the board, the solder side, and I've scraped and done some troubleshooting. So this Mickey has a serious issue. We're going to have to board level troubleshoot all of our components, and then we'll find out a little more about what's going on and how bad the board is damaged in the components. And in order to troubleshoot this board properly, you would have to pull out each individual component, or at least lift some of the legs or one of the legs of the component and do your troubleshooting. You do not want to troubleshoot the components while it's in the circuit, so the components should be removed. So that gives you a look at the inside of Mickey. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll start the troubleshooting process, and we will get Mickey repaired no matter what it takes. So we're going to take a short break. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're troubleshooting our main PC board, and we're finding too many bad parts. We also have a bad IC chip, and we know if we order this, it's going to come from overseas, and it could be after the new year that we would even get this IC chip. And Nancy would like to try to have this Mickey Mouse telephone back before Christmas. And so what we need to do is we need to incorporate another PC board along with our original, because what we can do is we can utilize the setup that's on this PC board, like our ring circuit, our switch for high, low, and off for the ring cycle. We may end up replacing the line port, but we also have a handset port, and we need to disconnect any of the electronics going to our hook switch, our handset port, and isolate our ring circuit so that none of the bad electronics are going to be involved in a newer style PC board situation that we design out. And so it's going to be a lot of work, but it's what is got to be done to repair this telephone. So we're going to get a start on that because we do have a lot of work that we need to start on. And we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this Mickey Mouse telephone, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, the keypad that was in this unit when it came in is not needed any longer. It's not a part of the new design. We can set that to the side. We have our network, which has a fuse on this network, so that's an extra added protection factor. We were also able to utilize our main PC board, but use the hook switch, the modular line port, and our modular port for our handset cord, and our ring cycle circuit. So what we want to do now is put everything back together again, and we'll come back and start our final checkout. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can push that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static or interference in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise or static or kind of a hum, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and use the analyzer, and we'll send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, December 1st. The time is 11:24. Current temperature 35 degrees.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the mid-40s. Mostly clear this evening, lows around 30. Partly cloudy on Friday, highs in the mid-40s.
We can go ahead and hang our unit up. We can call another number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Nancy and they can enjoy this telephone once again. Mickey is highly collectible, they're very sought after, and it's a really cool telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.